Okay, we are going to start question number 11, which is related to the trigonometry. Part A, solve the equation tangent square of 2x minus 4 times tangent of 2x is equal to 0 for value of x such that x is less than and equal to 180 and greater than and equal to 0. Okay, when we take tangent square of 2x minus 4 tangent of 2x is equal to 0. So when we take tangent of 2x common, so we will have tangent of 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So we have two factors equating each with 0, so we will have tangent of 2x equal to 0. On the other side we have tangent of 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So this one is equal to tangent of 2x is equal to 4. We know that angle of x should be from 0 to 180 and tangent of theta is positive in first and third quadrant, whereas it is negative in second and fourth quadrant. So we need to find the all values of x which are from 0 to 180. So range of x include first and second quadrant. Tangent of 2x is 0, so 2x is equal to tangent of inverse of 0, and 2x is equal to 0 because tangent is 0 in this line. So we can say that we have three angles. 2x is equal to 180 and then 2x is equal to 360. In these three values we have tangent is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. Similarly 2x is equal to 180 means x is equal to 90. Similarly when x is equal to 360, 2x is equal to 360, so we will have x is equal to 180. For the value of tangent of 2x is equal to 0, we have three values of x which are 0, 90 and 180, and these three satisfy the angle condition. This one. Okay, so solution of this equation is this one and this one also. Now we know that tangent of 2x is positive, which is 4. So when we find, so 2x is equal to tangent of inverse of 4, and this one is equals to the 75.9. So 2x is equal to 75.9. This is a one angle, and same positive value can be achieved in third quadrant also. An angle in third quadrant can be calculated if we have the base angle, which is angle in first quadrant. So angle in third quadrant can be calculated by using the formula that 180 plus base angle. So this is the base angle. So angle in third quadrant is also equal to 2x, which is 75.9 plus 180, because this one is angle in third quadrant and this angle in first quadrant. So 2x is equals to the 255.9. Now we have calculated the both angle of tangent theta which correspond to the value of 4, which are 75.9 and 255.9. Now we calculate the value of x using these two values. So 2x is equal to 75.9. So we will have x is equal to 75.9 over 2. So x is equal to 37.9. Similarly, we have another value which is 2x is equal to 255.9. So x is equal to 255.9 over 2, and this one is equals to the 127.95. So we have x is equal to 127.95. You can see that this value of x also lie in first and second quadrant. You can see that this lie also in first quadrant, second quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant. So we have the values of x which is equal to 0, then 37.98, then 90, then 127.95, then 180. These are the required solutions. Let's move to the part B. Solve the equation cosec of y plus 1.2 is equal to 0, where y is in the radian and the range of y is less than 2 and greater than -5. And angle should be in radian. So from the equation cosec of y plus 1.2 is equal to 4, we know that cosec of theta is equal to 1 over sine of theta. So this equation can be written as 1 over sine of y plus 1.2, and this one is equal to 4. By cross multiplying, we will have 1 over 4 is equal to sine of y plus 1.2. Or you can say that y plus 1.2 is equal to sine inverse of 1 by 4. And we also know that sine of 1 over 4, which is the positive value, so sine of theta is positive in first and second quadrant and negative in second, third and fourth quadrant. So this value of sine should be lie in first and second quadrant. So y plus 1.2 is equal to sine inverse of 1 by 4 is 0.2526. Now this angle belongs to the first quadrant. This one is 0, this one is pi by 2, and this one is pi, and this one is 3 pi by 2, and this one is 2 pi. Angle in second quadrant can be calculated by using the base angle. For example, this angle will be equal to pi minus base angle. So y plus 1.2 is also equal to pi minus 0.2526. Now, same angle sine of theta, which is in the first quadrant, for example, base angle will also equals to the base angle plus 2 pi, or this same angle is also equal to base angle minus 2 pi. So these are all the angle in the first quadrant. You can use base angle to represent the first quadrant angle, or you can use the base angle minus 2 pi or base angle plus 2 pi also. So we can say that this y plus 1.2 is also equal to 0.2526 plus 2 pi, or y plus 1.2 is also equal to 0.2526 minus 2 pi. On the other side, same angle, which is angle in the second quadrant, can also be written with the help of plus minus 2 pi also. So this one is pi plus 1.2 is also equal to pi minus 0.2526 plus 2 pi. Y plus 1.2 is equal to pi minus 0.2526 minus 2 pi. These are the angle in the second quadrant, and these are angle in the first quadrant. So you can say that we have the 6 equation, and we will find value of y for each equation, and we will consider those values of y which satisfy the given range. Okay, so first from y plus 1.2 is equal to 0.2526. For the solving, we will have y is equal to 0.2526 minus 1.2, and this one is equal to y is equal to negative 0.947. Now consider this one. Y plus 1.2 is equal to 0.2526 plus 2 pi. For the solving, we will have y is equal to 0.2526 plus 2 pi minus 1.2, and this one is equal to the y is equal to 5.33. Now consider this equation. Y plus 1.2 is equal to 0.2526 minus 2 pi. For the solving, we will have y is equal to 0.2526 minus 2 pi minus 1.2. Y is equal to negative 7.23. Now we will solve these three equations. First one is y plus 1.2 is equal to pi minus 0.2526, and further solving we will have y is equal to pi minus 0.2526 minus 1.5. So we will have y is equals to 1.6889. Now this one, y plus 1.2 is equals to pi minus 0.2526 plus 2 pi. So we will have 3 pi minus 0.2526 minus 1.2, and this one is equals to the 7.972. Now last one, y plus 1.2 equals to pi minus 0.2526 minus 2 pi, and this one is equals to y is equal to negative pi minus 0.2526 minus 1.2, and in this case y is equal to negative 4.5941. Now we have the range of y is less than 2 and greater than negative 5. Y less than 2 and greater than negative 5. So this value satisfies this range. So we will consider this one. This value is greater than 2. So we will discard it. Negative 7.25 is less than negative 5. So this one will be discarded. 1.6 will be in this range. So we will consider this one. And 7.9 is greater than 2. So we will discard it. And negative 4.5 is greater than negative 5. So we will consider this one. So we have three values of y. Y is equals to negative 0.947. Then we have 1.6889 and then negative 4.5941. So these are the required values of y. I hope you learned something from me. Please subscribe and share with your friend and like. Thank you very much for watching my videos.